At the jail, what is your name?
What's that?
What's your name?
Alfredo Garza III.
Okay, calling case prosecutor number 25-13798, the matter of Alfredo Garza, the federal counsel appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Richard Land on behalf of Mr. Garza. Waive reading the complaint and warning stand mute, Judge.
Okay, the court will indicate that and you, sir, state your full name again for the record at the jail. Mr. Garza, state your full name again, please.
Alfredo Garza III.
Okay, thank you. Counsel, you can address bonds.
Yes, Judge. Mr. Garza has no record. He is employed. There was no injury in this case, Judge. We're asking for a personal bond. Thank you.
Okay, the allegations are in fact a felony. It does involve a weapon. The allegations of a very serious nature, of a threatening an individual allegedly with a weapon. Before the court gets to bond, I'm going to go over a few conditions with you, sir. You're not to have any direct or indirect contact with the complaining witness in this matter. I think it's you're not to have any contact with that person. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You will not return or go to the premises of Highland, Michigan. You cannot return to that location. You will not assault, beat, molest, or in any way verbally harass, threaten, or intimidate any witnesses in this matter. Personally appear for all your court appearances. Do not leave the state of Michigan without permission of this court. If you change hold on, let me finish up and I'll get to your question.
Okay, sir.
Immediately notify the writing of any change of address or phone number. You need to provide a valid address within 24 hours of release where you're going to be staying. The court will allow you to go back to that address one time and one time only, and only with, this is important, only with a police escort, just to get some minor personal items. You cannot go back to that address otherwise, only that one time with the police escort. Once you arrange that, they have to arrange it. You have to work that out with the police department. Otherwise, you cannot go back to that address at all for any reason. You will not possess any firearms or other dangerous weapons, and you shall refrain from using alcohol, any form of THC, marijuana, illegal drugs, or abusing any medication. The court's not going to require that you test for those things, however. You must contact pretrial services within 24 hours of your release. That's at the 52-1 District Court in Novi. Pick up no new criminal offenses while you're out on bond. This matter is a felony. It will be set for a probable cause conference, which is scheduled for December the 8th of 2025 at 9:00 a.m. And you have an exam scheduled after that for December the 15th of 2025 at 9:00 a.m. I have granted court-appointed counsel for you, so you will have an attorney representing you in this matter. You are going to be required to be placed upon a GPS tether prior to your release with a 3 to 4 mile hot zone from the address in Highland, Michigan. Bond will be set at $5,000, cash surety note 10% based upon the seriousness of the allegation and the danger to potential witnesses and the complaining witness in the matter. Sir, let me ask you this question first before I take any questions you may have. Do you understand your bond conditions? Do you understand what I read off to you, Mr. Garza?
Yeah.
Now, you can ask a question as provided it doesn't have anything to do with the facts of the case, because your attorney would not like that as well. So go ahead with your question.
So how much is it to get out today?
Counsel, set the bond at $5,000, cash surety, no 10%. So you might want to answer your client's question if he has any more.
Okay.
Okay, you're all set. The door behind you is open.